All right, people. So I have my browser opened, and the website is looker.com. So we're going to be using looker.com to design beautiful logos. Let's go. So the first thing is enter your company name. So for instance, I have my company name is my brand name, for example, is Do Emmanuel. Your brand name, it could be your brand name or your company name. You click on get started. Give you some time to load. So the next thing is to watch your logo for give it a focus. Are you into education? Are you into retailing? Are you into consulting? Are you into restaurant business? Whatever it is, give your business a focus. So for me, I would say education, technology. Okay. So the next thing to then do is pick 5 or more logos you will like. We use this as inspiration to be all made with. So this you select 5 different logos here, which Luca would use to sort of make something very nice for you, but you can always design them if you don't like them. So you can select anyone you like. I like this, I like this. So you select I like this, I like this, I like this. So you can select 5 or more, click on continue. The next thing is select the colors you want, colors you like. You can pick I like blue and blue is fine. Okay, click on continue. So you can also add the slogan, maybe you take at it. So you want to keep your slogan very short. Click on continue. Okay. Next is to pick symbols. Pick symbols you want to use in your, so as I said,